Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. GIMS, we had him numerous times here, but he does this with Werenoi. I think that is a French pronunciation, not sure there. But anyway, they do piano together. So this goes in GIMS fashion. This song, play-wise, we have 4 chords, it just rolls in the same way, simple melody, and that's it. So let's dive into this one with the capo high up on the 7th fret. That's the best scenario for us, and with that we have 4 chords. So let's learn them first. We're gonna play A minor, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is F, so it's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 1st fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord is G. So that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the D minor. And it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So that's the chord progression throughout the song, and the melody goes like this. For 1 round, okay? And a couple rounds. Okay, so you're gonna start with open A and 1st B together. That's the A minor part. Then comes the F part. So you want to play 1st E in the bass, then 2nd G, 3rd B. And though you go into the G part, you're gonna play 1 kick on the 3rd E string in the bass together with open B. And then you go into the D minor part, where you play the open D string, open high E, and 3rd B. That's it. So now let's go into the strumming and get some action to it. Of course, we have the same chord progression here. We have a strumming pattern that's divided into 2 different parts. So A minor will be played for part 1, then F part 2, and then you repeat that for G and D minor. So G part 1 and D minor part 2. That is how it goes. So let's learn the parts here of the strumming. If you look into the first combination there, the A minor to F, it will be like this. Okay, so it's A minor part 1, down, up, clap, down. So 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Then you shift chord to F and play down, clap, down. And then you apply the same principle for the next 2 chords. G is played in the same way as A minor, down, up, clap, down. And then D minor in the same way as the F, down, clap, down. So like this. And everything put together sounds. And that's it, guys. That is how you handle the song piano. So good luck on this guitar, not piano, guitar. And 4 chords, that's it, rolling in the same way till the very end. Good luck and play tuned.